Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change language in Google Meet. First, click on your profile picture, then click on Manage your Google account. This will take you to Google Account Management and you will have to click on Personal Info right here. Then scroll down until you see Language. Click on the Language option and click on Add another language. Here, simply add another language from this list. So just simply click on it and then press save. Right now, if you want to choose this language that you have added as your preferred language, just click on this arrow and make this my preferred language. Now, as you can see, your language is Czech. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.